Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reduce motion effects to save battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. Now click on accessibility and then you can see the option motion. Click on motion and then on top you can see the option reduce motion. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off, it will be save your battery and then restart your iPhone because it can fix minor glitches. So then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.